How to clean your boat with boat juice. At the Centurion factory, we use boat juice to clean our boats, and I use it on my personal boat. With a boat as nice as a Centurion, you want it to look fresh and clean for every use. Boat juice aimed at creating a product that makes cleaning our boats fun instead of just being a chore. So as a family, you can work as a team to clean your boat and enjoy the sweet fragrances that are integrated into each boat juice product. It helps keep your boat in tip-top shape and generate some nice compliments at the launch ramp. Boat juice made it pretty simple for all of us. Orange is for the interior of your boat and goes with this orange microfiber towel. This spray is for all the soft parts on your interior. So all the upholstery, including the dash accent and the gator step flooring. Spray and let the chemicals do their job. Then wipe away with a microfiber towel. If you just spray and wipe, it doesn't allow the chemicals enough time to do their job, so let it simmer a little bit. After you wipe, there's no leftover oil or grease. It gets the interior clean and provides UV protection, which we all need. I especially need it here in the hot Arizona sun. Likewise, this green is for the exterior and pairs with this green microfiber towel. This spray is for all the hard parts on your boat, even on the inside, especially the gel coat, chrome, and the glass, along with the tower. Again, spray and let the chemicals do their job, then wipe away, and see those water spots fade away. This not only cleans your boat, but adds a nice ceramic coating to protect your boat and make that next wipe down that much easier. One place I always make sure to clean is the gel coat underneath the seats. Some pesky dust and crumbs always seem to find their way to this exact spot. Boat Juice offers many other products to help clean and protect your boat. They are constantly innovating and developing new products to help you and I with our boat cleaning needs. Developed for boat enthusiasts by a boat enthusiast from Colorado. Catch the owner and his family out at Pueblo Reservoir this summer in their all-black wake boat. Yes, Boat Juice works on a black boat. Do you have a Let's Tie Up kit and want to know how to use it? We made a video just for you. Tap or click the screen here, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.